Oh, hi guys, this is N1CY, and we're going to do some Morse code practice. Morse code is a lot of fun, and we're on 50.098, and that's on 6 meters, and the CW portion of the band, the Morse code portion of the band. CW is short for Morse code, that's ham lingo. Anyway, CW is a lot of fun, and I've been listening here for a while. There's no activities. And so I'm going to be sending, for the love of ham radio and CW, OP is N1CY. OP means operator, is N1CY, that's me. My name is Hassan, that's me. And my QTH means location, it's Santa Ana, California. N1CY, DE N1CY. So that's my call sign. And so then we'll talk about other stuff with Morse code. It's a lot of fun. So anyway, go ahead and send right now. I'm going to send the QRZ first, just to make sure there's no one listening on this frequency or using the frequency. Okay, so I set my call sign in QRZ. So anyway, nobody's replying, so we can go ahead and send on the air. Okay, good. So I made one mistake with one letter, but that's okay. You know, CW, you gotta practice. And I'm sending, by the way, at a speed of 22 words per minute. So I'm sending at a speed of 22 words per minute. So it's really cool. Anyway, when you practice with CW, you'll get to catch on to words. Instead of letters, then you start copying words. For example, the word and. So that's the word and. The word the. The word the. The word QTH, which means location. Okay, so these are some of the examples, some of the words that you can catch on to. My name. So that's the word my name, and then I'm going to say my name now because I'm sending over the air. And then my call. Then I'll put my call. I'm going to repeat my call. So repeat RPT, my call is N1CY. That's what I just sent. So anyway, CW is a lot of fun. Let's hope we embrace it. It's a great weak signal mode of communication. Great for emergency, and I really like it a lot.
From the desert to the sea and all of Southern California.
Let's turn the other one. Let's turn the other one down. Thank you for watching.